what's up, everybody? Wow, sorry that got dark there for a second. Let this car go by me. I get a lot of questions of if you have a push button vehicle, what happens if you push the start button or engine stop button while you're driving? Well, my Mustang has a engine stop start button, and I'm moving 60 miles an hour. So nothing. It doesn't do anything while you're driving. Now, if I was to push the clutch in and push that button, the car will shut off and it'll just keep rolling. If you hold the button in, it'll say something like pull over to shut off vehicle or whatever. If you left your key fob on top of your car and it goes flying, it'll say key fob not detected. It'll still go, and then when you shut it off, you try to turn it back on, it'll say key fob not detected. If you leave it running for like 15 more minutes, or 15 minutes, it'll say shut down in 15 seconds, restart required, unless you get in there and like push some buttons or whatever. But to answer your question, if you push the start, stop, engine start, stop button, not auto start, stop, but engine start, stop button, while you're driving, it does nothing. So I hope that answers some of your questions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you thought it was going to shut off or not, okay? I love all of you. Thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Sorry I burped.